वांट टू सी कौन कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है। इस बार मैं नॉमिनेट नहीं हुई हूँ, बट देखते हैं कौन नॉमिनेट हुआ है और उसके बाद बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है गैब्रिएला डिमिट्रिएव और मेकअप हेयर तो हम करते ही हैं और मिनराली एक्सेसरीज एंड ज्वेलरीज। बस रेडी हूँ, लेट्स गो, बाय।
Yeah. I was wondering, I'm like, where's everybody? I'm just standing, I'm like, yeah, let's just anybody want to give me a drink? I can, just stand here. I'm just kidding. Sorry. My memories with Filmfare? Always great memories, always great memories. My memories with Filmfare have always been great. I know a lot of people who are friends there and have looked out for me for all these years, and I thank them very much. I'm looking forward to tonight's show and all the stars performing. Inshallah. Yeah, soon. What would you like to know? The film's called America. Me and Suraj Sharma play brothers. Out in a few months in India. It's Prashant Nair. Director of my film is Prashant Nair. Thank you.
Yes, I mean, I've been working really hard on this change, transformation, whatever people are calling it. And I'm also experimenting with my looks, trying to understand what's looking good, what's not. So yeah, I'm trying to be as fresh and new as possible. That's such a big compliment because I think she's got one of the most banging bodies in Bollywood. She's so fit. But yeah, I wish I can. I wish I can reach that stage at some point. Well, it's going really great. It's called Man Mar Jaya. It's with Ayushmann and Vicky. I'm sure you guys know. And it's set in Punjab. It's a beautiful love story. And there are a whole bunch of things that we are doing. We started workshopping for the film as well. And it's just amazing. It's very unlike Sandhya. It's very away from what I did in Dum Laga Ke Haisha. And I think for the rest there should be a little mystery to it. So I'm going to let you all, and that's all the information I'm going to give. Thank you, bye-bye.
देखिए, अवार्ड मिल जाए तो अच्छा लगता है। अपने काम की एक वैलिडेशन मिलती है जो अवार्ड्स देते हैं, चाहे वो आपकी फिल्म हो, चाहे आपका अपना काम हो, तो अच्छा ही लगता है। किसी भी किस्म का कोई, चाहे ऑडियंस सराहे या फेस्टिवल सराहे या पॉपुलर अवार्ड सराहे, अच्छा ही लगता है किसी भी अभिनेता को, निर्माता को, निर्देशक को या जो भी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जुड़े हैं। शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि इसकी फिल्म पसंद आई मेरी चौरंगा। अब दर्शकों पर अब उनकी हो गई है फिल्म, हमारी नहीं रही। अब उनके अवार्ड्स की का इंतजार है। देखिए आज के वक्त में सोलो रिलीज महारथियों को ही मिलता है और हमें बहुत मुश्किल है। हर जुम्मे को, हर शुक्रवार को बहुत फिल्में रिलीज होती हैं। मैं चाहता हूं कि वजीर अच्छा करे और वहां पर जब दर्शक आए तो हमें भी नोटिस कर लें। थैंक यू।
Absolutely feels amazing. It literally feels like a dream come true. I think it's always been something I wanted to do, and I'm really glad that I have this opportunity. Will we see you perform at Filmfare this time? I don't know. Let's see. It depends on the Filmfare people. I would love to perform for Filmfare, of course, and whenever they give me an opportunity, I would love to be a part of it. Does Shahid have any performances lined up? I don't know. I have no idea. Tell us more about the film that is lined up with Park. I am just going through lots of scripts and I'm reading them and I'm figuring out what to do next. So there isn't anything definite, honestly speaking. It's just everything that is script level. So you're doing a film, right? Depends. I haven't read the script yet, so I'm going to read the script, see if it's something that I like. Then yeah, definitely, why not? Otherwise, maybe next time. Okay, thank you. Nice guys. You done? Thank you.
Firstly, Filmfare is a very big celebration, but I think more importantly the significance is because we've got a lot of fantastic talent, and we're going to, now's the time when we know who the nominees are. So this is actually to celebrate all the nominees, where we announce all the nominees, and then make sure the entire film fraternity gets together to have a great time. Win 1 week later. You have a stellar lineup of nominees here. Any of your personal favorites? I think this year has been fantastic in terms of the movies that we've seen. I think it's a perfect mix of what I would call a mix between art and mart. So you've got very big commercial cinema that's done really well. So Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Dilwale, Bajirao Mastani, and then you've got fantastic movies like Piku, Badlapur, etc. So really going to be tough to choose a winner this time. What are the kind of sizzling performances we can expect this time? So I'm not going to give too much away, but I think it's safe to say that stuff that we've already said. So I think the showstopper will be Salman. You can expect Ranveer to do a fantastic act, but I'm not going to let you know who the rest of them are. We're going to have 6 fantastic performances, but we'll keep letting those names out slowly over the course of the next week. But 2 of them are. So like we've mentioned, he's one of India's biggest superstars of all time. But like I said, we're going to reveal this in the next couple of days. But needless to say, for the last 20-25 years, has been a phenomenon in the Indian movie industry. Zarur. So like I said, अगर इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार की मैं नाम कर रहा हूँ तो शाहरुख खान का इमीडिएटली उसमें नाम आ जाता है. इंशाल्लाह आप इस टाइम शाहरुख भाई को देखेंगे फिल्मफेयर के स्टेज पर. थैंक यू. I would not say that. Don't put words in my mouth. But we'll wait and watch. But you can definitely expect to see Shah Rukh being a part of Filmfare. Thank you.
Amazing. I'm so happy that everybody has really liked it. The audiences are really pouring in their love, sending us the most amazing messages and the most amazing feedback. So very happy. Word of mouth is really strong, and I think all of us are really excited, and I hope that this continues, and please keep sending the love. We love you, so send it back to us.
What do we look forward to now?
Well, at the moment I'm enjoying the whole experience of Wazir. After this there's Futur and Sudhir sir's film or Devdas. I'm sorry, my throat is very bad, so I can't speak. I don't want to talk about Futur just now because they've just started. So when the time is right, I'll tell.
Are you missing the promotions?
of Ittur because I'm doing a very special part. So I don't think they want to reveal that just now. I think I'm also looking extra. I think I'm looking pale because I'm not well. Thank you.
No, I'm not hosting this time. I'm just in the audience, and I'm just crossing fingers for Dum Laga Kya Isha to win as many awards as possible for music, for everything. Yeah. We'll be shooting Feb onwards, and Man Marzi has a beautiful love story, and Bhumi and I are together again in a whole new avatar, especially Bhumi slimming down and me going back to Punjab again. I guess I'm looking forward to seeing Ranveer on stage. I think he's always quirky and full of life. That's it? Okay. हाँ मतलब हाँ भाई किसके प्रतिभाशाली तो है नहीं आई थिंक ज्ञान दर्शन देने की जरूरत नहीं है वो खुद ही बहुत टैलेंटेड है हाँ दंगल में मेरे भाई दिखाई दे रहे नहीं अंदर की बात हमें सब बताते नहीं उनको लगता है मैं सब कुछ बोल दूंगा सबके सामने इसलिए अंदर की बात मुझे बताते नहीं नथिंग एट ऑल बस यही है कि हाँ वो हरियाणवी बोल रहे हैं जो बहुत मजेदार है या That's it. Thank you so much.
It feels really, really special. I've grown up watching these awards and it feels like a dream come true. I'm seeing you again. What is the question now you wanted to ask? Of course. ये तो सपना ही है. I think this is such a dream come true because बचपन से मैं ये awards देख रही हूँ. Red carpet, सब कुछ. So I think it's a very special moment and I'm really happy and proud to be here. बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Dreams should be larger than life and should be big. No, not at all. I think I have a long way to go and Sonam has reached that level because of so much experience and I don't think I'm anywhere close to her level. I think she's, like everybody says, the style icon of our country. So yeah, that's a long way to go. That's a very high. I think she's beautiful. So Dan, thank you for coming. Thank you.
हाँ जी पूछिए कितने अवार्ड्स मिल गए और अभी मैं नाम ले सकता हूँ क्या दूसरे अवार्ड्स के मिल गए अवार्ड्स मिल गए इस साल एंड आई मीन लास्ट ईयर एंड फिल्म फेयर से एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती हैं हर बार और सबसे बड़ा वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट अवार्ड शो है फिल्म फेयर एंड मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड शो सो रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द पार्टी राइट नाउ एंड उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है बट इट्स अ बिग थिंग फिल्म फेयर का पार्ट होना इट्स अ बिग थिंग जी बहुत बड़ी बात है शाहरुख सर होस्ट कर रहे हैं एंड बहुत मतलब मेरे आइडल रह चुके मैं रोल मॉडल की तरह उन्हें देखता हूँ उन्होंने अपना निश क्रिएट किया है काफ़ी इंडस्ट्री में एंड तो उनकी होस्टिंग हमेशा से वो बहुत विटी है तो स्टेज पे भी बहुत विटी उनका विट दिखने वाला है एंड रियली लुकिंग कांट वेट फॉर फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड शो आगे जल्दी अनाउंसमेंट होने वाला है कौन सी फिल्म का एंड आई थिंक एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ या फरवरी तक कुछ अनाउंसमेंट हो जाएगा थैंक यू सो मच
What are you doing? You good? Huh? Bye. Can I look at him? Yes. I obviously want a Filmfare Award. I want that Black Beauty, of course, yes. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know. I have no idea. Yes. Sorry? Obviously, अगर शाहरुख सर करे तो why not? Yeah, I would love to enjoy the night with the big King Khan on stage, of course. I don't know. We're seeing. I want to perform. I don't know if they'll let me perform. Maybe. Yeah. Because the journey has been tough. It's not easy being an actor. You know, I thought it would have been easy, but it's so tough. And being on that stage and getting an award with the entire family there, it's just a good feeling. I don't know. And I'm a very real person, so whatever I feel, it just comes out. I'm just real, so maybe I can't hold back my emotions, so it comes out. Tonight? I don't know. I don't know. I haven't. अभी तक invitation का वो पास आया नहीं. Yeah. Salman sir. Well, I'm sure it'll be cool. Yes, of course. I did not refuse any film. The thing is that we're talking about two projects, and both were clashing on the same date. Clashing on the same date. So I had to obviously choose one film, but both were offered to me by T-Series. So I cannot. That you ask Bhushan sir. It's not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed. We're still seeing. Still deciding. Hopefully, within a month or two. No. I'm not refused anything. Yeah.
It's one of the most prestigious awards. I'm happy to be here again, and it's in a wonderful hotel, so I'm very excited to see the nominees for the Filmfare. I've been doing a few films down south after I, so my focus has been there, but hopefully very soon I should be doing something in Hindi. I'm just waiting for the right project. Sorry? Oh no, Krishma's right now in Delhi. She's performing today. She's doing a show in Delhi, and then she's off to Etwa. Because she does a lot of TV work, and our schedules, TV is a bit more hectic. But we've just finished a show on MTV called Love School, which is currently on air with me and Krishma. And hopefully next time we should see more of us together. We're already engaged. I think it's just finding the right time. Marriage is definitely on the cards. We've got engaged, so it's just a matter of time. Thank you.
Well, Filmfare has always been very special. I think for everyone who's been a part of the film industry, it is the biggest Hindi Films Awards. So I have grown up reading Filmfare, and I still do. I make sure that I always get every copy of Filmfare. It's always fun. Hopefully soon, inshallah, very, very soon. You will know soon about it. Thank you.
अवार्ड जीतने तो अच्छा लगता है और नहीं जीतने तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. अवार्ड मिलता है अच्छी बात है क्योंकि आपके काम को अप्रिशिएट किया जाता है.
अगर नहीं भी मिलता तो इतना ज़्यादा वो डिप्रेशन में या फ्रस्ट्रेशन में नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मंजिलें और भी होती हैं, है ना। और मेरे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप काम करते रहें, लोग अप्रिशिएट करेंगे आपको, आपके काम को ज़रूर सराहेंगे, वो चाहे अवार्ड से हो या ऑडियंस से हो या जो भी आपके फैन हो। 3 की शूटिंग मेरी कंप्लीट हो गई है और अभी मैं रईस की कर रहा हूँ शूटिंग। बच्चन साहब का जो कैरेक्टर, मैं उनके प्यार में हूँ, उनके कैरेक्टर के प्यार में हूँ। जो फिल्म की हमने, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, बहुत सीखने के लिए मिला मुझसे। यार ये तो प्रोड्यूसर से ही बताएंगे, मुझे तो ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है जी। कौन सी फिल्म का? एक बदलापुर का एक फिल्म का डायलॉग है, वो सुना देता हूँ। एक वो डायलॉग ना जो बालकनी पे होता है, वो ये है कि मैं खूनी हूँ, मर्डर किया है मैंने, अगर इसको हाथ लगा दिया ना तो फिनिश कर दूंगा, गुड नाइट। क्या हो जाए? शानदार, जबरदस्त, जिंदाबाद। हम तो सोचे थे भगवान, आई डोंट नो, भूल गया हूँ। किसका कौन सा? मुझे मैं भी, अच्छा वो हाँ, शरीफ तो हम भी बहुत थे, पर शराफत से अपनी कभी बनी नहीं। जरा हम भी तो देखें कि हमसे बड़ा शैतान कौन पैदा हो गया। जी, अभी मैं जस्ट रईस की शूटिंग ही करके आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है और इस साल उम्मीद की जा रही है कि बहुत उम्दा फिल्म बनेगी। बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है, इतना एक्सपीरियंस है उनको, और जब सेट पे होते हैं तो बहुत हम्बली और बहुत ही अच्छे एक इन्वायरमेंट बनता है जिसमें काम किया जाता है। सिमिलैरिटी, हर एक्टर का अपना अपना एक अलग तरीका होता है काम करने का। कंपैरिजन तो कुछ नहीं की जा सकती, दोनों महान हैं, दोनों सुपरस्टार हैं, और मुझे जो सबसे अच्छी बात लगती है कि इतने सालों से सस्टेन कर रखा है अपने आप को, तो ये मेरे लिए सीखने वाली बात है।
I've only shot a few days yet. I'm excited. We are going to resume shooting in a week. Opposite, I don't know. I have scenes with her. No, I'm very satisfied with the awards. I've won. I don't know about the nomination right now, but I've won an award. My first award for the season came from Masan. I don't know if I'm allowed to name the publication here, so I'll leave it. I'm going to be busy. Sarabjit, Cabaret, Jia or Devdas. Yes. I just told her, or Devdas, Sarabjit, Jia and Cabaret.
nominees and winners. I'm happy to be here. Well, positive till now, and I'm very proud of the film. And hopefully, people will watch it when it releases on the 19th of February. I think I don't know if this atmosphere is correct to answer that question, but I've done my very best. Yeah? Okay. Huh. So that's very sweet of her. I really love her a lot. Well, he's a character. Lots of fun.
मैं वेलवेट पहना है यार, मैंने वेलवेट सूट. So this is not enough. ये एक कलर, ये दूसरा कलर, ये तीसरा कलर, और मेरी पर्सनालिटी इतनी कलरफुल है. और कितने कलर चाहिए आपको, और कितना कलर चाहिए? ऑफ माई मूवी. हाय, मनीष पॉल आ रहे हैं, होस्ट हमारे आज रात के. आई थिंक उन्होंने भी वेलवेट ही पहना है. वेलवेट से याद आया, पिक्चर की बात करते हैं. जो पिक्चर मैंने की है, बाजीराव मस्तानी. आपने कहा आपको डायलॉग सुनना है. लो, डायलॉग सुनना है. कौन सा डायलॉग सुनेंगे आप बताइए. मैं तो जूक बॉक्स हूं, मैं तो चलता फिरता जूक बॉक्स हूं. कुछ गा के क्या गाए? सर, रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप कुछ गा के सुनाएं.
मैं एक ही बात बोलूंगा. राव ने वाट लावली. राव ने सबकी वाट लावली.
सर, थैंक यू जेंट्स. अभी जब चालू हो गया शो, यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? मनीष, बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. हाँ जी. तो क्रिश कैमरे में कैप्चर ही नहीं किया. क्रिश से पूछो. क्रिश जी, कैसे लग रहा है? आपकी फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हुई, हिट हो गई, कुछ बताइए.
The way he's worked hard, he deserves all the awards this year, and always we wish him always the best.
Thank you.
And the energy he has, fantastic.
And what luck we have together. What a great combination. Myself with Eros. First it was Ram Leela, my breakthrough film, and now my biggest hit, Bajirao Mastani. I am so happy. Hopefully in the coming year also something
Special
maybe
is happening.
हाँ जी. जीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पर संदेह नहीं करते. कभी भी मात दे सकते. बस आगे बोलो. डायलॉग हो गया. डायलॉग, गाना, डांस, आप जो कहेंगे मैं करूंगा. मल्हारी. अरे भजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलता छिड़क धड़क भंडारा छिड़क छिड़क मल्हारी. कड़क तड़क भड़क जाली, चटक मटक वटक जाली, दुश्मन की देखो जो. I love you, Manish. I love you. Why are you not being a responsible host? Go and do your duty. Oh, मनीष का खत्म करो. मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. मैं यही हूँ सारी रात. First finish Manish is bites. Then I'm coming back. क्योंकि क्या हुआ, मैंने डायलॉग बोल दिया और गाना गा लिया. अब बचा डांस. वो जो ब्रेक के बाद होने वाला है,
क्योंकि मनीष आज का होस्ट है, यहाँ टाइम पास कर रहा है, उसको बाइट खत्म कर देने दो ताकि शो शुरू हो सके। मनीष, ओवर टू यू। Work, readings, look tests, everything is started, and it's very, very exciting. It's a light romance, breezy film. It's going to be that's the genre of the film. It's a light romance, and we're going to shoot it in Paris. As soon as my hair grows out, we'll start shooting. अब देर सिर्फ इन बालों की है, और it feels amazing to be working with Adi sir now in different capacity, that of director and actor. It's always, like I said in that video, it's always been one of my dreams, and it's a dream come true to be working under his direction. I've started my work on my own, and soon Vani will be joining us for prep, and I'm very excited about this new pairing, and I'm going to hear the music soon, and I'm very, very happy to be working on this film. Oh no, not at all. I also read something. Ranveer has been asked to beef up for Basic. It's not true. It's not true. It's going to be. I'm going to be lean, mean, and sexy. Actually, Befikre is the only movie I'm doing right now. After Befikre, yes, there are some very exciting prospects. I've been approached for all kinds of films. But I'm still in the process of working out which one is going to be the next one after Befikre. But what I'm very, very truly excited about is the fact that, you know, there's such good scripts and such interesting good scripts, characters. So I'm really happy. It's getting difficult to choose, but yeah, hopefully I'll be able to do all of them. But Befikre needs to go on the floors, and we need to make good film. So all my energy on Befikre right now, and enjoying the award season as well. That is true, madam. After Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I am the only leading man to work under the direction of Aditya Chopra. It's quite cool. The fact that he's the guy who, you know, was the first one who recognized my ability and gave me a break. I said it at an awards function last night. I owe my entire career to the man. I love him to bits. I respect him no end, and he is my mentor, my guru. He's like a father figure to me, like a brother. One of the coolest people I know, and yeah, I think we're gonna be great together. I don't know. Right now I'm focusing on Hindi films. There's a lot of good films coming my way, thankfully, with God's grace. And I'd like to focus on the marquee Hindi film projects as of now. I'm very happy for her. Sultan's a big movie. It's a Yash Raj film, and I'm a Yash Raj boy. So yeah, I wish her all the best. I'm interested to see. Vicky Kaushal, who was unbelievable in Masan. So proud of you.
Unbelievable in Bajirao.
Thank you.
He's my biggest inspiration.
कितना sexy लग रहा है मुन्ना पाजी.
So sweet. So God bless you. God bless you.
हेलो, आपको भी कुछ बोलना है? बोला हेलो.
पता कौन है?
हाय. ये थोड़ा ऊपर बेटा. हाँ. हाय, बोलो हाय. किसी दे दो फ्लाइंग किसी. हाँ. ओह.
सारे दिन गाती रहती है तुम्हारी पिक्चर के गाने.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sharad Kataria, one of the best, most brightest writing talents of our industry, and also the director of Dum Laga Ke Aisha.
हेलो. थैंक यू फॉर द इंट्रोडक्शन. आप भी आए? हाँ, तो इनको भगा दिया, मैं इनको छोड़ने जा रहा हूँ. बाय.
लखानी साहब. ये हमारे लखानी साहब हैं. योगेश लखानी, ब्राइट आउटडोर्स.
सारे होर्डिंग इनके होते हैं. 20 साल से इंडस्ट्री में इन्होंने
सारे
सबके पहले होर्डिंग इन्होंने दी.
आओ मनीष.
एक मिनट. ये योगेश लखानी है. इन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में सबके होर्डिंग दी. ये 20 साल से इंडस्ट्री में आमिर खान, शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, अक्षय कुमार सबके होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया. बहुत लकी आदमी है. बिपाशा बासु को भी पहला होर्डिंग इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. कटरीना कैफ का भी इन्होंने दिया था, वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई. बहुत कमाल आदमी है.
कहीं नहीं जा रहा। बोलिए, बहुत मजा आ रहा है। हाँ जी, यस, प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड अवार्ड। देखिए क्या हुआ, बिग स्टार एंटरटेनमेंट में रोमांटिक रोल लीडिंग मैन के लिए मिला दिल धड़कने दो। फिर स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स वी डोंट क्वालिफाई, विल क्वालिफाई नेक्स्ट ईयर। देन क्योंकि वो दिसंबर रिलीज का मामला होता है। फिर कल रात, वेरी स्पेशल नाइट फॉर मी, आई शेयर द अवार्ड विद माय स्क्रीन आइडल मिस्टर बच्चन, बेस्ट एक्टर इन अ लीडिंग रोल। इट वाज अमेजिंग, व्हाट एन एक्सपीरियंस। आई can't explain to you what I was feeling. I really can't. It's something I've never felt before, that kind of rush and thrill to be standing there sharing an award with the guy who actually inspired you to be an actor in the first place. An absolutely incredible night. And Mr. Bachchan was so kind, Subhash Ghai was so kind. A really big night for me yesterday, a very, very special honor for me. Lean and sexy. Lean बताना था, sexy तो मैं वैसे। हाँ जी, आगे। I don't know. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. It's nice. It's nice. Feels great. But you know, everybody faces ups and downs in life. In your career, always there are ups and downs. The important thing is that you don't get too carried away with success, and you don't get too bogged down when there's failure, because films are collaborative. It's everybody's effort together. So you can't take the brunt of failure entirely on yourself, and you can't take the credit for all the success just by yourself. There is a director, there is a whole team that works. So you kind of adopt a middle path. You realize that the most important thing is that you, from your end, as in the capacity of an actor, go out there on a film set and you do your best every day on every film, on every day of shoot of every film. Success and failure is not doing. You know, there are a lot of factors involved. So important to not get carried away. It's important to not get too bogged down. So like adopt a middle path. सुशांत मुझे प्यार देके क्यों नहीं गया? नोटिस किया आपने? शायद हो सकता है। ठीक है, को ऑल द बेस्ट कर दे, उनकी भी फिल्म आ रही है। हाँ जी, सब जो भी गया प्यार देके गया, सवाए उसके, पता नहीं क्यों, पूछूंगा मैं अंदर। हाँ जी, हाँ एक्स। हाँ क्या यार, भगा रहे यार मेरे को, डायलॉग बुलवा दिया और फिर क्या क्या डायलॉग बुलवा दिया, गवा दिया, गाना नहीं गाया, गाना भी गवा दिया, डांस नहीं कराया। म्यूजिक बजाओ तो हम डांस करें। मैं वैसे अपना खुद का बूम बॉक्स लेके घूमता हूँ। हाँ, अक्सर मैं एक्चुअली फिल्म फेयर वालों ने बैन किया हुआ है कि अब आप रेड कार्पेट पे अपना बूम बॉक्स नहीं लेके आ सकते। थोड़ा अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल करें, थोड़ा अपने बिहेवियर को कायदे में लाएं। Curbing my enthusiasm. एक बार लास्ट। ओके,
हालत खराब हो जाती है। अभी दो हैं, तो एक दिन आधा दिन चेन्नई, आधा दिन बॉम्बे, फिर वापस चेन्नई, फिर बॉम्बे, मतलब बेहाल हो गया हूं मैं तो। मनी और वेट। Now, actually, I've gained a lot of muscles, but it's not easy यार। मद्रासी हूँ, थोड़ा बॉडी चढ़ाने में थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, but it's been worth it. It's always fun to meet the fraternity. You get a chance to meet, your friends and your colleagues, and I'm sure getting an award is a thrill. अभी तक मुझे मिला नहीं, जब मिलेगा मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. I think one of the greatest boxers ever to live was Muhammad Ali, so I've been a huge fan of his. Not only did I watch all his videos, मैंने उनके मतलब सारे जो बाउट्स हैं उन्हें देखे हैं, उनके बारे में जितने किताब लिखे गए हैं वो सारे पढ़े मैंने, बॉक्सिंग के जितने टेक्निक्स है वो सब सीखी. 7 महीने से मैं बॉक्सिंग सीख रहा हूँ. इट वॉज गुड फन. हाँ यार बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ये. एक तो है बाल झाड़ो, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है. अभी लड़कियों की तरह बाल दाढ़ी सब कुछ, इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. Of course, there you go, there. Whatever you want me to do. Thank you.
Why are you screwing my interview, man? Come on. देखा? हाँ, ऐसे होता है? ऐसे ही होता है. ऐसे कोई करता है? वैसे तो मेरे अभी मैं आंसर कंटिन्यू प्लीज. सॉरी.
थैंक यू.
You always screws up my interview. Sorry. Yes. Where are we? Yeah. So then something happened and I don't remember a thing.
बहुत मजे किए, बहुत मजा आया.
Ankita enjoyed a lot.
I'm sure सबको मजा आता है न्यू ईयर्स पे. So I really enjoyed.
Do you remember things?
Yeah, of course I do. I will.
Yeah. See, every time you play a character, it's very, very difficult. I mean, like the most difficult part is to convince yourself that you're the character. But yes, playing somebody who is, everybody has a very strong visual reference of, so you need to actually imitate at the same time, make yourself believe that you're the character. It's slightly tricky. Let's see, I've given my best. Somebody from the studio will make the announcement for all of you. I'm definitely playing Dhoni.
कोई बात नहीं यार, पूछ लो. Oh my God. पूछो यार क्या है. Ask him. शादी, right? Ask him. यही पूछता है हमेशा ऐसे सवाल वो.
December, for sure. This December. Yeah. बस.
नहीं.
Are you asking me or are you scaring me? Tell me that. Are you like scaring?
We are getting married in December?
Of course.
Okay, December. Guys, it's December.
2016 December.
Oh God.
He's
It's
scaring me.
okay.
He's trying to scare
It's our
me.
marriage.
He's trying to scare me. कैसे कंपटीशन हो सकता है? मतलब आई थिंक नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, because these two are like completely two different personalities in two completely different decades, and their stories are completely different. So we're making a film on Azhar and Dhoni, who are like diametrically opposite. So I don't think there's a competition. How do you see?
Superstar हूँ. So it doesn't matter. No. No. नहीं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये हमेशा मेरे पीछे है. Like he loves me and he's always there for me. So I don't need to be possessive about it.
Why are you not happy?
I think you're not happy. I'm very sure. Then ऐसे क्यों आग लगा रहे हो हमारे बीच? Are you possessive?
I think she's.
You will see me somewhere.
I think she's too lazy to do.
Yeah,
any
actually,
project right now.
I'm too lazy to.
She gets up at. I'll tell you what the secret. She gets up at 4 in the afternoon.
No.
And tells me good morning. So this is what's happening in her.
But it's okay. I've worked hard, so I'm happy in my
Yes,
life.
it's like. मुझसे भी पूछ लो यार कोई
I don't know anything, right? I'm not doing anything. Trust me. I'm not doing it all. Huh? I didn't get it.
Oh yeah? Thank you. Thank you guys.
अच्छा ऐसे.
ये है बेस्ट एक्टर 2015
अरे!
मैंने announce कर लिया
From one style icon to another.
हाँ give them back my dolce and
Karan, you're looking so
are you leaving
so hot. You're looking so dapper.
are you leaving
So dapper. No, I'm leaving with you.
are you coming to do the access part
Finally, you're buttoning your double breast. I was so upset with you last night that you left it
because it अच्छा why are we talking to each other I meant to say you have to give bites हाँ come हाँ
I was here for half an hour.
it's okay spend 5 minutes more I have nothing more to say हाँ yes
बाकी काम बाद में करेंगे.
I think so I'm not sure
The best host in the business.
I just announced you as Best Actor 2015. It's a mutual admiration society. Well, I'm looking forward to Filmfare. I think I've been hosting, ever since I was born. So I think being at Filmfare...
Are you coming to give lifetime achievement?
I am lifetime achievement. I think eventually I'll be giving myself that award very soon. हाँ जी और कोई सवाल करना था आपको या मेरा हो गया?
Lifetime is just full of achievements. I'm also waiting for Aidil Mushkil. Karan narrated some scenes to me from Aidil Mushkil and I fell off the sofa laughing.
This is my interview.
No, okay. I just came to say.
We're going back inside. I don't want to reveal too much, it's too early, but it'll release Diwali this year and I hope everybody enjoys the vibe of the film. Well, who knows who's with who in the film? Nobody knows. No, I just said it. Aryan is like my son. So if anyone has to launch it, it has to be me. But when that will happen, who knows?
Hi. Yes. Tell us about your experiences. My experiences in the previous what? The awards at the previous parties? Filmfare, amongst the many awards, is one of the more prestigious awards, so it's always been a great experience. There's always some great entertainment, a lot of fun, meet all my colleagues. So it's a great platform to come here and sort of interact. Since we don't all meet very frequently, this is one platform where we all get to meet. I hope to see myself this year back on screen. Not back on screen, hopefully, back acting this year and maybe on screen if it releases early next year. I haven't, but I hope to do something this year. Yeah, I'll talk to many people, yeah. But it's a matter of time before something good happens. I'm hoping so, yeah. Okay? Thank you.
I think I should talk about Akira and Force 2 right now, and yeah, look, I'm looking forward to those two roles definitely. It's been fantastic actually. I think the first time I ever went on stage was at the Filmfare Awards, where my dad took me to present an award. I presented one to Yashji also, and I remember very clearly to Karan also. I think I gave him his debut director award, so that was very special. My favorite portions are when he talks about his childhood years, which are certain things that I didn't know about even as a daughter, because I guess you just skip those at some point when you're talking. But I'm getting to read so much about him and know so much about him, and makes it so much more clear the kind of person that he is and who he's become today, and I'm really, really proud of him. Yeah.
Social media is also work with, posts that it's written about Vanessa, what is your take on that?
That is an equation between my dad and Mr. Bachchan, and I think they are both very clear about the relationship that they've shared in the past, the relationship that they share now. They have been friends, they have been contemporaries, they have been competitors, and I guess it's all in the game, so I don't think if either Mr. Bachchan or my dad have an issue with it, nobody else should. आपको बड़ी जल्दी है
हाँ, मतलब आप मुझे खुश नहीं देख सकते। अभी फिलहाल नहीं, कुछ सोचा तो है नहीं, बट आई एम श्योर कि जब समय सही होगा, मैंने कोई मिलने तो दो यार। No, unfortunately not this year. Yeah, but looking forward to the function right now. It's been a great year so far. I have a good feeling about this year as well, and hopefully I'll make it better than the last one. Done? Thank you. Thank you so much.
So it's a great feeling, obviously. I mean, I'm very, very happy. Yes, there were some glorious and glamorous times for me in my childhood as well. So today it feels great again to walk on this red carpet. Well, hopefully something good soon, and there is something different I'm trying this time. Something different, that's something you won't expect a Thakur from Panchnama to do. Yes, so I want to break the mold and try something else. So I'm trying that this time. Thank you.
Namaste. Sorry? Amazing. Awesome. और आपका? Great. Yes, of course I am. So yeah, but nothing that I can share at the moment. कौन सा? Oh, Afghan Jalebi, Big Star Entertainment है? Oh, thank you so much. No, I'm not, as per my knowledge. Thank you. But is there a question or what? I give.
Reading your expressions and your answer on this, like the most happy celebrity now in the film industry.
Are you giving me a compliment?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'm saying thank you, मतलब और क्या? Actually, that's true. Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I mean, it's great. I think it's something that I'll always be very proud of at the end of my life, and something that I can always look back and be happy about, that I got to work with all three amazing, firstly actors and people, Salman, Amir and Shah Rukh. And yeah, I think the kind of experience that they have for anybody to just work with them, I think it's like a life experience that you get. And I definitely feel that when I did a film with Shah Rukh, like 2 films with Shah Rukh and with Amir, I felt like I had learned a lot more. Like I felt that growth, you know. So I think that's what these people have. They've been working for like over 20 years, and it's a great feeling, and I feel very humbled by the opportunity.
years now together. What do you have to say about like the clash?
There could be a clash between Sultan and Prince at the box office.
Huh?
The clash between Bajirao and Dilwale that happened. So what is your take on this?
I think, see, personally, I feel if films are good, how many other films release on a day? I think there's enough audience there to, and they have enough enough appetite for good films. So I don't think that really, in my personal opinion, I don't think that matters.
Anushka, also, is Sultan a two-heroine project or is it only a solo movie?
No, it's just